Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see or how you can watch history in YouTube. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube app in your phone and tap on the below right corner of your profile. After tapping on your profile, now you have to tap on settings. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on manage all history. Now you have to select the account, Google account, which you want to see history of YouTube. So I'm selecting first one. So you guys can see YouTube history has been opened. So what I can do is I can here watch all the history, all my previous videos which I have watched, and I can also set auto delete feature, which means after every specific like 3 months you can select at your own requirement, like 18 months or 36 months. After that interval of time, specific interval of time, your videos will be deleted. And here it is selected as 36 months. It means after 36 months your history will be automatically deleted. And you can also delete by customize, like by tapping delete today you can delete all the history of today. You can also delete by adding custom range. In this way you can add a specific range and you can delete the specific range of videos in the history. And delete all time by tapping on it. You can delete all the history of your YouTube videos, and you can rewatch it again by tapping on the video. And you can also remove specifically by tapping on the cross icon. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.